Want to know how to lock your garage doors for maximum security? In this video, we'll show you the best ways to keep your garage and your home safe from intruders. Your garage door is more than just an entry point for your car. It's a critical barrier that protects your home and belongings. Locking it properly is essential to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the safety of your property. There are various types of locks to choose from. Manual locks provide basic security, while electronic locks and keyless entry systems offer advanced features like remote access and motion sensors for added protection. To secure your garage door, start by installing a deadbolt or using a lock bar. These add an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for intruders to force their way in. For even more security, consider a garage door opener with rolling code technology. This constantly changes the access code, preventing anyone from copying it. Also, outdoor lighting and security cameras can deter potential break-ins. Don't forget, always close your garage door and use strong passwords if you have a keypad lock. Weak passwords or leaving your garage open can make your home vulnerable. By following these steps, you'll know how to lock your garage doors effectively, keeping your home safe and secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home security tips.